everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the basic formatting tools in Google Docs. This is to make your documents cleaner, easier to read, and more professional. Whether you're making schoolwork, reports, or office documents, these tools are essential. So let's get started. First, I'm here inside Google Docs with a document open. Now let's say I want to style this text. The first step is to highlight the text you want to change. Once highlighted, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find all the formatting tools. For example, I can click bold to make the text thicker. I can click italic to slant the text. I can click underline to add a line underneath. Now let's change the font. Click this font drop-down menu and choose any font style you like. For example, I'll switch this to something different so you can see the change instantly. Now let's adjust the size. Use the plus and minus buttons to make your text larger or smaller. And if you want to make your document more colorful, click the text color icon and choose any color you prefer. Now let's talk about alignment. These buttons here lets you align your text. You can place it left, center, right, or use Justify for a cleaner, balanced layout. You can also create bullet points or numbered lists using these buttons. Bullet points, numbered list. This is especially useful for notes, instructions, and organized information. As you can see, these simple formatting tools make a huge difference in how your document looks and feels. And that's it. Thanks for watching.